Hello, people of the internet, DedZed here, and I'm going to be today covering a light switch. So, in this world, I have light. If you've noticed before, I was messing around with this light quite a bit, of where it makes the whole world bright and dark. So, I'm just going to make another button for it, which is kind of simple. I'm just going to grab this interactive button script for this. Oh no, I'm gonna just make it. We're just gonna make a new cube. There's cube. Cube good. We're gonna make it green to show that it's interactable. And boom, we have our cube. And I'll just push it up. With this, I'm just gonna make another Udon Graph program, and we're just gonna make a light switch. That's all we need, and simply enough, is quite easy. We need another interact node, because then able to interact with it, and I need a variable of light. And I'll just name this light. I'm going to drag this out here. I'm going to drag that out. And we're going to focus on the engine light. And we're going to find set enable. With this, like we've done before, we're going to find unary negation. And we're going to light. And we're going to find, let's just write get. Enabled, and we're going to scroll down until we find light get enabled. Make sure that's hooked up there, and that down there. Meaning, we have our light source, which is going to be set to public, our interact, light source, and then the basic little components. With this, Udon behavior, drag in the light switch. Here, it says there's no data on it. Let me do this. It says on. Compile it. Boom. And I have this directional light, which will be my light for this test. Make sure we have a box collider on this. And then from here, we're just going to simply go in and play. We are going to turn sound off. So right now, it's on. Now it's off. On. Off. On. Off. It's just a light switch. That's all it is. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Quite simple. Hopefully, that showcases that you can sit down and make some more interactive spaces. Who knows, maybe you want a light which we can toggle on, maybe a lamp which has a little bit of glow on it. And I'll catch everybody again very soon. Bye bye.